Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Afatman, and today I will show you how to get your level rated. The last video we made was uh, how to get your level featured, but for those of you who don't have got the skills that we showed, what you need to do if you can't do all the things we showed, this is the perfect video for you. So we'll just go into here, and the first thing you want to do is you want to get the moderator or Robtop interested in the level. So you want to call it something really cool, like uh, Apex with a C instead of an X. Yeah. Now, the first thing you want to do in your level is to find a song, but you don't want to use an overused song. So we're just gonna go with this. Nice. So you want to go it slow so we get to 1 minute faster, and then we're not gonna start with the gameplay here because it's trash. So you want to get a color which is a bit dark and relaxing, and since the song is like that, this is the gameplay. It's only started. We really don't need to have good gameplay because we're not gonna get it featured. So copy paste. No, yeah, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Oh shit. Nice. Oh shit. So when you got the gameplay done, the only thing you really want now is you want to get some glow. Yay. Don't worry about that. So what first you want to do is to get some of these and scale them to 2 and get let's do this. So now you got the gameplay, right? So you want glow. So you take light background with blending and you just put it around everywhere like this. But that's not everything, because that looks pretty weird, right? You don't want your levels to look weirdo. So we want to put some of these and scale these to 2 and yeah, just put some of these around on the floor. And to show that your level is good, what most people do is make the level laggy. So you can just copy paste this everywhere. Here we go. Some more, maybe. Yeah. There we go. And some more. There. Just like a funny game. Okay. We need to make. Ooh, that looks kind of cool. But that's not how you get your level rated. This is epic. Okay. So you want these spikes to stand out. So let's make them black. Yeah. And the outer line red. There we go. So now you got this. Now to make the mod, first of all you need to make it 1 minute. Yeah, the mod will never get so far in the level because they're probably so lazy that they just play this and then they're done and send your level. But you want to make them laugh so they remember your level and want to send it. So first of all, just make a pause with the ground 0 77. Yeah, okay, let's do that. I don't care. Yeah, I can see the ground, but that probably looks good. So you want the mod to laugh. So you want to write something funny. Like Rob Top eat ass. There we go. And now you just play the level. Yeah. If you can't beat it, just nerf it. Don't worry. So now we just wait. Shit. So I'm not gonna upload it because it's too hard for me, but that's how you get your level rated. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and be sure to subscribe and comment what you want to learn from us next. if you yeah, remember to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.